How are you doing, Cali Crowd? For those new to the channel, it's essentially a diary of the journey to learning calisthenics techniques. We walk through the steps that a beginner takes to build strength and learn new moves in real time, showing both the learning points and successes, as well as some of the failures that inevitably occur along the way. As part of this journey, I have found there to be sources of information that are just invaluable for a newbie calisthenics athlete. Today, we'll be highlighting 5 YouTube resources that you should definitely check out when it comes to working calisthenics. If you would like to be part of the helpful and motivating community that we've got here at Cali To The Crowd, then be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell as well so that you never miss out on a Cali To The Crowd video. For those that have seen some of the other videos on this channel, you'll know that my default go-to for information gathering is books. Books are arguably the most refined artifact for capturing information that you will ever pick up. Books are researched, they're edited. I'd argue that more time and effort goes into the making of a book than any other form of media. But we also live in a technology-driven world, and so to reject some of the phenomenal resources that we have at our fingertips would just be downright stupid. So we'll be running through 5 of those resources from YouTube, starting with Abnormal Beings. This is a channel where calisthenics passion is personified, and Tayo is the abnormal being. Just take a look at that intro. Aside from being a phenomenal athlete, he is extremely articulate in how he breaks down quite complex physiological cues when it comes to learning challenging exercises. For me, the key value he has is his ability to somehow elicit motivation. I defy you to watch just one of his videos and not want to just go out and jump on every single bar that you see. Definitely worth checking out. Next up, we have PictureFit. Not specifically a calisthenics YouTube, but PictureFit's videos turn very meaty fitness topics into easy to digest animations that you can watch for ages. He cites about 3 fitness journals per minute, and most of my reading to-do list has come from this very channel. What that also means is that he's ended up being at the vanguard of the charge against bro science and actively challenges people to dig deeper into the elements of fitness that they're interested in. The main reason you should check out this channel is for the very light-hearted way in which he delivers key and valuable information without the cookie-cutter, one-size-fits-all approach that seems to come with this industry. The information on that channel will definitely make you a better athlete, so go check it out. Third, we've got the Bodyweight Warrior. Another awesome calisthenics role model. Tom from the Bodyweight Warrior is a gold mine of knowledge, especially when it comes to taking a deeper look at the core principles behind bodyweight training. His channel focuses on getting people to a place where they can appreciate the principles of nutrition, mobility, base strength and hard graft, long before tackling any wacky calisthenics techniques. There are various aspects of his channel that regularly catch my attention, but for me the main highlight has to be his mobility follow-alongs. These are creatively constructed videos that effectively allow you to step into an online class that will develop your flexibility, improve your mobility and educate you all in one go, and all within about 20 or 30 minutes. Shredded Sports Science is our number 4. Again, not an account focused on calisthenics, but James from Shredded Sports Science could make a solid alphabet soup with all the letters that just follow after his name. The channel is built around peer reviewing some of the less than wholesome fitness videos that float around on the internet. With his multiple sports science degrees, he pulls no punches when it comes to scrutinizing what are sometimes downright lies in social media fitness. His value to his viewers is in this peer review style content. In a world where information is so easily accessible and yet so often either unfortunately inaccurate or just downright malicious, this channel challenges its watchers to think more critically when it comes to fitness, and to not merely accept something as gospel just because some jacked beast said so online. It's actually really refreshing to see someone who's so fierce in the war against pseudoscience and snake oil sales, and who does it while cracking awesome dad jokes. You'll definitely laugh while you're watching his videos. Definitely go check him out. Finally, we have Dominik Sky. Now, this guy, he is an OG of bodyweight training and a redonkulous athlete with buckets of value in every single video. He is very punchy with his delivery, straight to the point, no waffle. Here's the information, now go and apply it. I am mad jealous of the dojo slash gym slash man cave setup that he has. The main highlight with Dominik is that when it comes to a channel that offers applicable information on a huge range of calisthenics techniques for many ability levels, you will struggle to do better than this guy. One quick browse through his videos will have you dreaming of performing gravity-defying techniques, and you'll struggle to find a technique that he hasn't explored with prejudice. These are the channels that I've picked out as having consistently provided value to its viewers. If you know of more, then definitely drop them in the comment section below. I read and reply to every single comment, and I'm always on the hunt for more fitness videos. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like as it really helps out the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.